Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Our previous video for this wearable is all about message notifications. So we have a demo for the app notifications as well as SMS notifications. On this video, we are going to focus on the Bluetooth phone call. So this smartwatch do have a support for the Bluetooth phone call. So we will check, we will try to see if it works with our Android smartphone. Okay, let's listen to the sound and let's see if we can use the contacts as well as the phone book here. So if you are interested to see the demo for the Bluetooth phone call, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth phone call for the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Our wearable here is already paired with a support app. So we are using the HiWear Plus application. We are already connected, as you can see here, but let's double check on the Bluetooth phone call. We have here the option for the message reminder. I'm looking for the contacts, so there's no Bluetooth phone call here, or there's no option for the Bluetooth phone call on this section. We have a phone book here, so there's no contacts yet. Let's add one. Import. Let's add these numbers. Okay, then synchronize. Does it work? Okay, it's now synchronizing. Okay, as our smartwatch here switch to synchronization mode. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Dial, contacts, and we have here the number. Okay, seems like everything is okay now. Everything's set. We have the keypad, we have the call history, and the contacts. So let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. Alright, so let's have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. So let's start. Okay, let's call Cindy. Let's dial the number. Hopefully we can receive a call here. It's now calling. And we have here a call from Cindy. So you have an option to answer or end the call. So in our case, let's end the call. Okay. So the number here is registered, but it did not show on the call. Okay, although we have here the number is registered, when someone called us it did not register here, or it did not show the name of the caller, but we do have the date and the time. Again, hopefully it will work. Someone's calling, and we have here the call. So as you can see, we don't have the name. The same with the C90 Pro smartwatch. We have the call history here. Let's use the phone book. Let's try. Tap on the number, and as you can see here, it is working. Okay, we can receive the call here. So the phone book works for our C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Next, let's have the dial pad. So let's have the number of Sam 0969 61 5839 and 9. If this thing will work, we can receive a call here. Okay, as you can see here, it is working. The name is also not showing here, as you can see on the dial pad. But when it comes to the phone book, it shows the name of the owner of the number, as you can see here. Okay, and call. Let's try to answer the call here. Let's see. Okay, so we'll put our phone here or our smartwatch here. Then let's try to dial the number. Let's call Cindy again. And let's try to answer the call, of course. Okay, so someone's calling. You can see here. So let's answer the call. Hello, this is a Bluetooth phone call. It works. Bye. And call. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth phone call. So everything works for our C39 Ultra 2 except for the name of the caller. So it did not register, did not show when someone is calling, although the number is registered here, as you can see. Okay, but the call logs, okay, or call history works. The dial pad also works with our C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth phone call for the C39 Ultra 2. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!